sir, worthy principal sir, and other staff members and chief guests, my dear brothers, I welcome to all of you with the Islamic greetings as Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I Hashim Sahel from Udura deliver a speech in front of you. First of all praises thanks due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the creator and destroyer of all whole universe. So, today my topic is about Eid al-Adha. My brothers and teachers and other staff members, Eid al-Adha is a very sacred festival of Muslims, and it is also known as Bakra Eid. This festival remains one of the great sacrifices of the great Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. This is a festival of greeting and meeting people and praying. This festival is celebrated from the 10th day of the month of Zul-Hijjah. The festival is celebrated about 70 days after the end of the month of Ramadan al-Mubarak. Eid al-Adha is the Arabic word, and that means Eid of sacrifice. On this day, Muslims sacrifice animals like goat, sheep, camel and cow. Muslims gather inside a masjid and prayers of the Almighty Allah. There is an atmosphere of joy everywhere. The meat is divided on of relatives. Number first, family. Number second, friends. Number third, neighborhood. Number fourth, poor people. Eid al-Adha is celebrated for 3 days. When we start sacrifice of an animal, then we have to say this: إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين إن الصلاة ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين لا شريك له وبذلك أمرت وأنا أول المسلمين اللهم منك ولك بسم الله الله أكبر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.